Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create younger, older, and male versions of your voice in Audacity. This technique is super useful for content creators, voice actors, or anyone who wants to experiment with different vocal characteristics. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application is running, you'll need to select the audio portion you want to modify. You can do this by clicking and dragging across the specific part you want to change, or if you want to transform the entire recording, simply double-click it to select all the audio at once. Now direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on Effect. This is where all the audio transformation magic happens in Audacity. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over Pitch and Tempo. This will reveal another submenu with various options. From this submenu, select Change Pitch. This tool is essential because it allows you to shift the pitch of your voice up or down, which is the foundation for creating different voice ages and genders. Once the Change Pitch window opens, navigate to the Pitch section. Below it, you'll see a From and To option with drop-down menus. For example, you might select F in the first drop-down menu, though feel free to explore other pitch options that work better for your specific recording. Then click the drop-down menu right beside To and select D#E, or again, experiment with other pitches to find what sounds most natural for your desired effect. Next, adjust the pitch value to 9 in both the From and To fields by entering it directly in the text field. Below this, you'll see semitones half steps. In this text field, enter -2.21. This precise adjustment helps fine-tune the pitch shift. Below that, you'll see percent change. Click the text field next to it and enter -12.000. These combined adjustments work together to create a more natural-sounding voice transformation. Before committing to these changes, click Preview to hear how your audio will sound. This is an important step because if you're not yet satisfied with the result, you can adjust the pitch, semitones half steps, and percent change values. Feel free to explore different combinations until you find the perfect sound. Once you're happy with how it sounds, click Apply to implement the changes. If it doesn't sound quite right, simply adjust the pitch settings again and click Apply once more. Now click Effect at the top again to further refine your voice transformation. Hover your mouse over EQ and Filters, then select Bass and Treble. This step is crucial because adjusting bass and treble helps make the voice sound more authentic and less artificially processed. Look for the bass option and enter 3.1 in the text field. This adds warmth and depth to your modified voice. Below it, you'll see treble. Enter -2.3 in this field. This adjustment softens harsh frequencies that sometimes result from pitch shifting. Click Preview to hear how these EQ changes affect your audio. If everything sounds good, click Apply in the bottom right to finalize these adjustments. To hear your complete transformation, click the play button in the upper left corner of the interface. Listen carefully to the result and feel free to go back and adjust any settings if you're not yet satisfied with the final output. And there you have it. You've successfully created a modified voice version using Audacity's pitch and EQ tools. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.